Welcome to this beautiful redesigned Camry bedroom. This video is going to be all about this makeover. The client wanted a beautiful, relaxed, neutral space. So I want to take you guys along on the entire transformation, show you some befores and the progress and how we got to this. Let's get into this. So the first thing that we talked about when we were talking about this renovation is they wanted an accent wall. We wanted to bring in an accent wall, but they wanted it to be very subtle. So they wanted wallpaper. So what we did is we brought in a very neutral wallpaper to really complement the space. The wallpaper was really the inspiration for the color palette of the space. They wanted something that was very calm, but also has like a little bit of edginess to it. So we added a few of the black accents, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. And of course, this gorgeous bed. Like, look at this. I love it. We tried to move this bed yesterday, 3 people, and we could not move it. This is how heavy this bed is. It's going to last them for many, many years. And it looks really gorgeous. It is the center piece of this room. We wanted to also add lighting. Layering lighting is so key if you're renovating a bedroom. You want to have different areas where you can add light. Instead of having a table lamp on your nightstand, you can opt for a sconce on the walls. And this one, you tilt it back and forth. This we opted for a sconce, so that way they can have the nightstand for decorative items. You have a little box here for like remotes and things like that. And this nightstand, it is solid rock. It also has the USB charger here, and these are really, really deep drawers. And it's also in that color palette of that calm, neutral vibe. All right, so I'm gonna take you over here to show you how we styled this nightstand. So we basically just created a little bit of symmetry here. We added a faux plant in this black planter. Again, I told you they wanted a little bit of edge with the black. So we have a little tray here, some decor, candle. Smells so good. And of course, we also added the wall sconce here as well. If you see, look over here on this wall, we added a beautiful artwork to complement the colors of the space. So we wanted to bring in a little bit of character. This is really, really beautiful, and it complements the rest of the space. All right, so let's talk about the flooring. So we also took out the old flooring. They had carpet in here, so we ripped out the carpet and they decided to go with this engineered hardwood. This one is from Home Depot. It brings in a lot of warmth and it really complements the space. We layered it with an area rug. Of course, if you have, this is a king size bed, so go big with your area rug. This is a 9 by 12. I think an 8 by 10, maybe a little bit too small, but this is a perfect size to create that visual interest. It brings in all the colors that we have in the space. Of course, right here is the black accent that I was telling you guys about. We wanted to create a beautiful visual. This trim work was done by WMP Remodeling, which is my GC. They did a beautiful job with this. We also added an electric fireplace, of course, gives you that ambiance, and it actually gets really hot. So this is a great way to bring in something a little bit more that will give you a cozy vibe. But I absolutely love this black pop. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm going to take you guys to one of my favorite little corner. This is beautiful, cozy corner in the bedroom. Like, who doesn't want a sitting area in the bedroom? If you are renovating your bedroom, think about ways to bring in additional seating space. This is a perfect way to do that. We added this beautiful boucle love seat here and really complements the space, and it's actually very, very comfortable. And right behind me here, we wanted to bring in a visual interest. Remember this wallpaper behind the bed? We added it right here. We also wanted to bring in additional light. Like I told you, layering lights is key. So you want to have different areas just in case you don't want the big light on. If you're reading, this is a perfect little reading corner. This light is from Kichler Lighting. All of the lights in here are actually from Kichler Lighting. You already know. So Kichler is, they have some really beautiful fixtures, and I absolutely love this touch of black. We're mixing metals in here, so this black really kind of ties into the fireplace. I also love this pop of like this brown and chocolate. So beautiful. So we decided to bring in another color that will really contrast the neutral colors that we have going on. And this does that really, really well. And then we also added this beautiful faux plant. A lot of us don't have green thumbs. So A good way to bring in a little bit of greenery, bring in a little bit of character to the space is to add plants. So if you can't keep up with your plant, a good way to do that is to get faux plant. And this one looks really good. I think it kind of looks realistic. Let me know what you think. We added that right here in this corner. I added some spotlight to it. And yeah, that is it. You guys let me know. I'm going to insert some clips of the before, insert some clips of the progress. The room actually took a little bit more, less than like 4 days to put together. The bathroom took a little while, but we got it done. Bathroom renovations typically take longer because it was a complete reno. This is the bedroom to the bathroom that I previously shared. So you can see how it flows like seamlessly in the same color palette. Anyway, thank you so much. That is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys were inspired. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, hi, my name is Emoji. I share all things home, family, renovation, decorating, cleaning. Let's be friends, okay? Hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.